morning, children. Today, maths already you learn integer, addition of integer, properties of subtraction, properties of multiplication, and properties of division. Is it? Now we are going to learn about statement problem on integer using all fundamental operations. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. All operations are included one problem. So how to solve? So daily life we can use that these operations. Is it? Yes. You can follow these rules and find the values easily. Okay, children. So to solve all the statement problem, the following steps may be followed. First, you can read the problem thoroughly, what they are given, what they are asking, and what formula you can apply, solve it, and get the answer. And finally, you check the answer. So these rules are very important to the statement problems. Okay, children. Read the rules. Read the problem truly. Write down what is given. Find out what they are asking. Use the required formula or easy way to attain the answer. Apply it, solve it, arrive the answer, check your answer. So you can follow these rules and find the values. Okay, children? Here, example 1.28. Feroz Khan collects rupees 1150 at the rate of rupees 25 per head from his classmates on account of the flag day in his school and returns rupees 8 to each one of them as instructed by his teacher. Find the amount handed over by him to his teacher. So you can read the problem truly and what they are given. So Feroz Khan collected total amount is given and per head 25 is collected. Is it? Next, teachers is instructed to return to 8 rupees to the students. So we don't know the how many students. Is it? Yes. Find the amount handed over by here. So how many amount is given to the teacher? So given value is total amount and written amount. So we don't know the number of students. So you can find the number of students first. Okay, children. Total amount collected rupees 1150. Amount per head rupees 25. So you can find the number of students. Total amount 1150 divided by 25. You select 3 digit 115. So 425 are 100. So you subtract it, you get a 15. Next you can down the 0, 150. So 625 are 150. So 46 students are in our that classrooms. Is it? Okay. Next, you can find the return amount. So 8 rupees is returned to the students. So 46 students ke return பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So 46 into 8 you get 368 rupees. So total collected amount and so return பண்ண amount you subtracted. Subtract பண்ணோம்னா you get answer 782. This amount is hand over to the teacher. Okay, children. Amount handed over to the class teacher is rupees 782. So division, multiplication and subtraction they are using this sum. Next sum. Example 1.29. Each day the workers drill down 22 feet further until they hit a pool of water. So each day over day they are working down. So down means they are hit the pool 22 feet. If the water is at 110 feet, on which day will they hit the pool of water? So they are asking how many days they are working. So every day they are hit the ground is 22 feet down. Okay. Depth drilled in one day. So down. So negative value. Negative 22 feet. Depth of water is given. So that also minus 110 feet. So you can divide that, you get the days. Number of days is minus 110 divided by minus 22. So minus divide panna you get answer positive value. Next 110 divided by 22 you get 5. So 5 days. Hence workers will reach resource in 5 days. Okay, children. And next problem. How many years are between 322 BC and 1687 AD. What is BC and AD? Already you know that. That is, you can already study it in the history. History learn பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. That is BC mean before Christ. Is it BCE அப்படின்னா before the common era. AD meaning Anno Domini and CE meaning common era. So birth of Jesus, that is before, that one BC, and after birth of Jesus after சொல்றது AD, you can use that one. Okay children, so BC na negative integer, AD means positive integer. So you can draw the line. So center is 0, that is birth of Jesus. Left hand side negative value, that is BC. This is positive value. Years in ADC are taken as positive integer and BCE as negative integers. Therefore the difference they are asking between, so ரெண்டுக்கு எவ்வளோ years இருக்கு, so they are asking the negative subtracted value. Difference meaning subtracted. So 1687 minus of 323. So minus plus, that is opposite inverse, that is add a change iron. So you can add, you get the 2010 years. Okay children, this is the example. Next exercise 1.5.